Hi guys, welcome to our channel, Babes Life and the US. I-remove ko to ba yun? Ito? Kasi itatanim ko to. Ano to ba yung liso? Seed niya, seed. It's patuyuin ko to ba? Buti lang nagkaroon siya ng seed. Pag bumili ka nito online seed, mahal man ito. Buti nagkakaroon siya ng mga seed. So, tatanggalin ko na tapos patuyuin ko siya. Pwede nang itanim. Over here. But, yan, seed guys. More. Salad. Let's eat guys. Hi guys, let's eat guys lunch for today. On Thursday. Salad, vegetable salad. Today not overcook. Last time overcook eh. Rice and chicken guys. Of course, my husband rice, not the rice. We add bacon kasi. Dali po bacon dish namin. My live guy is always like that guy. Huh? Unable to connect at this moment. Laging ganyan guy. Try daw na to. Nag-go na siya. Somebody guy from walking with bad internet again guy. Oh my goodness. Ikot. Nako, i-end ko na nga to. Ewan ko guys, ba't ganyan? 1 week na ngayon guys, ganyan ang internet ko. Look at that. Hi guys, and good morning. Today is Friday. Today is the shopping day. Going to Salvation Army guys. OTTD for today. Outfit for today. Weather now guys is cool down na guys. Not too much. Di makita guys. I-down natin ang camera guys para makita niyo. Why looking at me? I'm just hot guy. Literal. What time now? 9:21. Let's go guys. Open na guys. Go inside. Let's go. So nice. It's so cool. It's so cute for the kid. And $5. Nice bag right here. School bag guys. I like this one. How much? $6. God, oh my God, so beautiful. Backpack. Beautiful. I make a video over here. This one is so cute. Oh. The mirror. 3 pieces of mirror. Okay. And the watch right here. And that's the watch.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
14 pieces, 49 cents each. So I got jeans. Hopefully fit this to me. But I have no new jeans like buy in Walmart. I think this one is fit to me. This is $5 guy if not sale. So today is 49 cents. The color tag is pink. So only we pay only 49 cents instead of $5. Imagine. And this one. I like the color guy. I think this is fit to my sister. I like the color. I need to wash this one. And this one clothes, I like the color also. Beautiful. I don't know if it to me. And this one, I get this guy. 2-in-1 na siya gan. Only 49 cents. Oh, pwede mo siyang isuot ang blouse lang. And this one, very nice. Usually it's not heavy guy. You can wear this in the Philippines. And this one, I like this guy because still not heavy. I got pala another. I don't know if it fit to me. Maybe it because stretchable eh. Not worry if not fit to me guys, because I send that to the Philippines to our families. This one pila. I get this. Oh, I have terno na guy. I have pila. Short guy eh. So, imagine. May terno na siya guy. This one. Pwede na yung pambahan. Imagine mo lang 49 cents. So that's why I love to go okay. one's so nice. Simple to the Philippines. I got dress. I don't know if it see? So beautiful dress. And another blouse. The blouse is the design so cute. I need to wash this guy. And this one. Sweater guy. I get this, oh. Los Angeles, California. Oh, see? Never been in California. Nice. Yeah. I get this guy. It looks so nice. And this one. I'm not sure if it to me. And I get this by t-shirt. Para man, ano to eh. Pang lalaki to eh. The other one t-shirt. I like this guy's skirt. I don't know if it to me. Usually, if not sale guy, kay $6 siya. Pero nakuha ko lang ng 14. And that's it guys. We need to wash that. We try this guy. Cheese it. Pop cheesy. Cheese pie. Cheese pizza pala. Try this guy. Look inside. Wow! I really like that. That is so good. Cheesy and soup. Yummy. I like it. Why every time you like something, I like too? Why?